back in a few minutes. Ang taas ng kawawa.
Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Iggy Boy Flores.
At ako po si Maestro Campo at iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat na manood ng Love You. Every Sunday po yan after ASA 2012.
So yun. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito.
At dahil dyan, ito na po ang magagandang damit ng Moose Gear at Moose Girl. Cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. If you're looking for me, I'm in front of you. If you wanna see, gonna find me. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. If you can't find me, you can call my name. Where are you? Here I am. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. Alright. Oh yes. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. If you're not around, open up your eyes, 'cause I see you all the time. Cuckoo boom boom boom, cuckoo boom boom boom, here I am. I look over here and I look over there. I know you can't be far. Honest to be with you somehow. I look to the left and I look to the right. I wonder where you are. I wanna see you, please come to me right now. Grabe. Oo. Ang gaganda nila. Gaganda at ang gagwapo.
Diba? Kuya, hindi mo. Susika. Grace mo. Ay, ito si Mora, si Buboy, si Sai. Ikaw po. Siya po si Stephanie. Ikaw po.
Kids.
May pinapawag po.
Atras na tayo para mapabilis kami.
Siya daw po si Justin Bieber. Sabi niya sa akin.
Always lang. Di ba yung Moose Gear tsaka Moose Girl? Meron silang pag-i sa Facebook. Di ba alam mo yun? Oo.
Rocks in the stars.
Oo. At dahil sila yung winners natin, bibigyan sila ng prize.
Yan, maraming salamat po sa
Pwede pa nga lang i-give yan. For good. Ayan. O, mag-picture kayo kasama si Sai, si Mona, sa si Bugoy.
Grace, sadya mo yung sa'yo.
Okay.
Kuya, sandali. Alam mo ba sa kanila?
Baby. Yan.
Okay.